What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel for online certification courses. Here you can learn a brand new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field and get paid your worth. Let's get started. With businesses constantly pivoting due to AI integration, companies need people to lead this charge, someone with strong leadership principles. Effective leadership is all about building trust, motivating teams, and driving results through integrity, clear communication, and accountability. Key principles include acting as a role model, cultivating self-awareness, fostering team growth, making sound decisions, and adapting to change. These, along with strategic thinking, define great leadership. Now, don't mix up leadership and management. Many companies do, but it's best to keep them separate. Core leadership principles include effective communication, keeping it open, honest, and clear. You need to build and empower your team by focusing on their development and mentoring future leaders. Making sound and timely decisions is crucial. You have to analyze situations quickly and take responsibility. And finally, adaptability and innovation. You must navigate change effectively and encourage new ideas. Let's touch on some of the lessons in my online leadership course. First, value-centered leadership. This lesson explores the link between leadership skills, principles, and emotional intelligence. If you've ever known someone whose behavior just seemed off, this lesson will reveal why. Next, we have a lesson on team building. Successful leaders are exceptional team builders, but do you know what types of teams are possible or how to build them correctly? This lesson focuses on team types and offers guidance for everyone, because we've all been part of a team at some point. Then there's the leadership application lesson, which covers creating and changing culture. This introduces how leaders can effectively implement change and get their team on board. You'll learn specific actions leaders can take, and you'll even read quotes from famous writers about change and leadership to spark your own ideas. We also have a lesson on how leaders make decisions and influence others without forcing them, with practical guidelines for answering challenging questions. In total, this leadership course has 12 powerful lessons. So, why is leadership so important? Leaders raise the performance bar with every hire and promotion. They recognize exceptional talent and help them grow within the organization. They develop other leaders and take their role as coaches seriously. These skills can help you gain respect at work and in your personal life, giving you more control over your destiny. Contrary to popular belief, leadership skills can be learned and developed. Even if you're not in a leadership position, this course will teach you how to use these principles to achieve success in almost every aspect of your daily life. Thanks for taking the time to check out my video. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website, Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you will not miss out on any trending certification courses you might want to pick up. Comment down below and I'll reply back. You can also find me on Facebook under Markie Williams, where I have an online certification page you can like and follow. Be sure to check out the thumbnails floating around on the screen. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'll see you in the future.